Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ronkat and I create content on travel, career, and positive living. If that sounds like your thing, make sure that you subscribe. Come along with me today on a property visit at the Hilton Clearwater Beach Resort and Spa. This is located in Clearwater Beach, Florida. Now the property is located along the beach, so the overall square footage of the resort, I would say, is not really big, but I do think they make very good use of the space that they do have. We had the opportunity to stay at this resort for a little less than 24 hours, but we did want to at least show you the property and the room overall. So upon checking, you're given a towel card because, of course, this is a beach resort. Here I'm showing you all the bathroom and the bedroom. I really disliked the difference in lighting between the two, but hey. The property, of course, does have meeting rooms and other event venue spaces. So the main level has pretty much all of the main amenities. So this would include the fitness center, the spa, and then a convenience shop of beach-related items. The property also has a hotel lobby bar, as well as a sit-down hotel restaurant. The restaurant serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and you can see the menu posted on the wall outside. The main attraction for the resort really is the beach. So here we are walking to the kiddie pool area, and as you can see, there's one kiddie pool, but there's another pool behind it. And there were some additional water attractions on this side, but the main thing that we really came for was the beach. So once you come outside, you will see a Tommy Tiki, which is a little drink bar as well. And then you have this huge expansive beach outside. Overall, I will say the property was just okay. But of course, the beach is what we came for, which was great. So that's all I have for this one. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more travel, career, and positive living content. See you next time.